Hey there guys, I got this rim cylinder off of eBay. It's a Arrow, but so here's all the info if you want to go look it up. There's more. There's this thing that got me, Assa Abloy, and it made me want to buy it. So let's unbox and see what we have here. I've already taken the liberty of prepping this thing for picking. So here in the bag we have all of our stuff, the screws, the actuator thing, and the ring. Here's a look at the keys. Okay, that is a direct bitting code, by the way. Here's what the bitting looks like. And like I said, I've already prepped it. I've already taken this clip off, and it's really a pain in the butt to get off, so figured I'd take it off now. The lock works good, if I can get the damn key in there. There we go. So it turns very perfectly. Also says Assa Abloy right on the front. Okay, that looks cool, right? I expected that this would be really, really tough to pick. So let's just see. Oh, I'm actually going to use the thin Peterson for this. This is a lot of fun. Okay, so all the way in the back. Feel our way through the lock. Feels like we're setting pins. This is not how it happened out of the box. There it is. Okay. 3 minutes to pick an Arrow rim cylinder that's supposedly helped out by Assa Abloy. I was shocked. Well, let's let the viewers decide here. And I'll show you what's inside this sucker. Can't get the damn thing to come out. There's like a specific area where it'll let you open it. Come on. I'm trying to do this and not lose the pick. You can rotate this all the way and it'll stick a little bit and the drivers stick up, but it won't entirely fill the cylinder, which I thought was kind of neat. There it goes. Just had to force the damn thing. There we go. Jesus. Okay, there's that. Let me just slide the camera over a tad. We'll angle it down. Okay, so pin 6, we have a standard pin. What did I do with my tweezers? There they are. I found them. Okay, so we got standard, 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 and standard. All standard pins on the bottom. Here's the kicker. All standard pins on the top. Sorry, I should have said spoiler alert. But the camera's on its way of dying, so this will probably be the last video I do before I have to recharge it and then do more. Come out of there, one more. So there's the cylinder. So focus. Come on, focus. Get the focus on the sucker. Doesn't like to focus. This is just blurry on the screen, the viewfinder screen. I don't know. They all look like this. Come on. They're all standard pins. Yes, I'm having a lot of trouble with the camera focusing today. But all standard pins in a lock that's supposedly high security. Well, at least it claims, you know, Assa Abloy. I figured I'd see some of those crazy ass spools in here. Nothing. Took me 3 minutes to pick, and it's all standard pins. So, way to go, Arrow. To you decide for yourself. Thanks for watching.